So this Friday morning, I'm up next to Port Canaveral with a bunch of my fellow Space Coast Realtors cleaning up the shoreline around here, since sometimes there's a lot of slobs out here. We're going to take care of it. You would think with a dumpster out here, people would put their trash in it instead of breaking bottles everywhere, leaving garbage all over the place. For all of us to pick up. So it's beautiful out here. This is 528 Bridge, the Barge Canal, Port Canaveral and the locks. We're out here with the realtors cleaning up the garbage that so many slobs seem to think it's okay to leave around here. There's about 50 of us out here, and we're going to be out here all morning cleaning up after the slobs. We've got a good crowd out here at the Waterway cleanup between mile marker 52 and 53. We've been out here half an hour. We've already got that much, and a whole bunch more coming. These are Brevard County Realtors. These people volunteered their own time to come out here on a Friday, clean up after people that were here last weekend. Beautiful morning this morning. Water's nice and clear. Great day to come clean up after the slobs. Leave their trash out here. You know who you are. So here we are. We've cleaned up all the trash. We're now taking pictures. Everybody's proud of what we've done, and we're glad to do it. Look at this. It's a Falcon 9 first stage that they recovered and brought back here to use again. It's SpaceX. And now they're just about finished loading it onto the trailer. And they'll take it off and clean it up and use it again. So we're all done now after our cleanup. Hi everybody.
I think you're going here.
There's more people who worked hard cleaning up all day. Everybody worked so hard, and it was worth it. We did a good job. We had a huge pile of trash. Here's some more people that cleaned, worked hard today. Hey! Woohoo! All right, everybody worked so hard cleaning everything up, especially you two. We appreciate that. Cheers. Hey, everybody. Hey, girls. Hey girls, more cleaners. There we go. So we're all going to do this again tomorrow. Cocoa Beach by water. Today we're going down the canal in between Osceola and Boca Ciega, off of Minutemen Causeway. Enjoy. many of these old houses have been completely gutted and rebuilt, transformed. Some of them are still the same. This is paradise. This is Cocoa Beach. I'm pretty sure the next video music on. Another fine rebuild top to bottom. So the next one. This one was completely bulldozed. Now it has a beautiful center console with 3 huge engines in the backyard. Little wind today, we'll be okay. Just blowing us off course. It isn't that the wind is blowing, it's what the wind is blowing. Blowing his boat. Hello, birds. Some birds in this yard. This has something to do with all those bird feeders up there. Traveling north, then south, we saw the back of Osceola to our east, the back of Boca Ciega to our west. Coming up next, Boca Ciega and Chipola. Hey, thanks for watching our video today. Every Tuesday at noon we put out a new video about Cocoa Beach boating, fishing, and life here in general. Also, if you want to move here, I am a real estate broker here. We own Happy House Real Estate. Contact us and we'll set you up in one of these beautiful waterfront houses. Thanks.